Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crown K. Thank you so much for stopping by, and you should definitely like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, like, hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is in partnership with Incolorwig, and they did send over to me a wig to review for y'all and to install. This hair is low-key, not low-key, like high-key. This is a bright color. I know that fall is like, you know, not here anymore. It's like winter time now or whatever, but this hair is like a nice like orange looking color. So yeah, let me just like get into it. They sent it in a box, like nothing special. It's just like a regular wig box. Can I talk? So yeah, this is the hair, and this is their, let me read my notes because I never have it together. This is their 88J color wig, and this is 150% density, and this is Body Wave. It's also a fake scalp wig, so it's definitely like a closure unit, but you know, the fake scalp unit, so you don't have to do anything to it. Okay guys, so I have it in a 24-inch. I was definitely wrong when I was saying it was a 20-inch. So this is a 24, and it is a Body Wave unit, and I did tell y'all that the color is bright, like it's a very bright. I love it though. I feel like this is a nice color for my complexion. I feel like it's showing like way more bright on the camera versus right here, but it is a bright color, no lie. It's kind of like a pumpkin, like ginger spice kind of color, but I like it. It is a closure wig with the fake scalp area, so you know all the work is already done for you. You don't really have to do anything. This is what the part is looking like. It already has the lace on the inside right here, so that's the fake scalp area. It has combs on the side, as well as in the back, and also adjustable strap. So it's really a simple, easy unit. Like, there's nothing much to say about this unit. Yeah, so I'm going to install it. Well, not install, but I'm gonna put the unit on. Let me just try it on without like doing anything so you guys can see, because I feel like I'm going to maybe like go in and give it some crimps, or maybe I should do curls since it's already like in the body wave kind of vibe. Okay guys, so this is what the hair is looking like on my head, straight out of the package. This is the vibe. As I said before, it is a fake scalp closure unit, so you literally just cut the lace off and that's it. But I feel like I'm gonna go in and pluck the front just a little bit so I can make like a little swoop so it doesn't look like so dense and like fake, because you know, you don't want it to look like wiggish or whatever. Yeah, but the hair is pretty cute. I love the color. It's not shedding. I'm running my fingers through it, and it's, well, that's one strand, but it's not shedding, because I figured it might have like sheds a lot because of the color, but it's really not shedding. It's really not. It's not like tangly. It's also pretty soft as well, so I'm loving that. So So guys, this is the finished look, and honestly I love the color. The color's not a problem. My problem is where the fake scalp is. They didn't really like give you any lace at the front, so you could like make like baby hairs or whatever, or anything to kind of like hide the fact that, you know, it's a fake scalp closure wig. And I've had fake scalp closure wigs before, and they don't like look wiggish, but because there's no hair literally where the fake scalp is, there's not any hair like in front of it. You don't have any lace area. I don't know if y'all get what I mean, but there's no lace area to kind of like conceal that it's a fake scalp or whatever. So yeah, this is what it's giving. I love the color. It does take a curl, and the hair does not feel bad. It's not shedding, but I'm just not feeling like the top portion, it doesn't transition well into the fake scalp. It's just like boom, fake scalp. So I literally had to take like a few strands and try it, like, you know, making like baby hairs. So yeah, the only thing that I would say is if it was like a better top with like more lace, it would have been perfect. But yeah, that's my final thoughts on this wig. The color is beautiful, but I don't know, the top is just not giving me what I needed it to give. If y'all like this video, then yeah, leave me a like, leave me a comment if you like this hair and you think, you know, you can like finesse it. Yeah, you should definitely like check out all the information in the description box down below. Yeah, and that's all there is to say about this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all subscribe to my channel. I really hope y'all comment. Like, let me know your thoughts on this, or am I being extra? I don't know. But yeah, that's what's happening with this hair for me. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.